So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a new valve at this gas equipment. This is the heater for the pool equipment. That old spin down valve, we tried to actually shut it off so we could work on this. And of course the handle just snapped off. PG&E's been out, so is the pool heating company had come out, and everybody knew there was a gas leak back here. You could smell it pretty extensively. So we brought our little sniffer out. It's a little digital sniffer that gives us the green, yellow, red. Green meaning perfect, yellow meaning there could be a problem, you might want to address it, red meaning shut it down, everything's going to blow up. So what we did is we went ahead and put on a new Watts quarter turn full port ball valve right here. So quarter turn on and a quarter turn off, and then just as a courtesy we put a plug in it because we want to, in the event someone does turn it on, we don't want gas coming out, and also we want to keep any debris or rain out of this valve while they're getting ready to put this new equipment in place. So it's installed. We tested it all the way around the perimeter. We even tested this 1.25" by 1 bell reducer. It looks like 1.25". I don't think it's 1.5", but it's a bell reducer. So we checked underneath there with the homeowner present. No gas, everything green. We checked the perimeter around the valve body itself where that nipple's at. That's the existing nipple, brand new ball valve, and it shows green all the way around as well. So it's capped off. It's turned off. Outside of that, this installation is done.